A hiker decided to go on a hike by himself, something he was not very used to. The whole day was usual, trees and bushes engulfed his surroundings. He enjoyed being outdoors and especially in the mountains. Nothing seemed strange to him. That was until he was making his way back to the car. He figured an 8-hour hike was good enough. The sky was already getting dark and needed to get back before it grew too dark for him to see. What was odd was how much he didn't realize the trail that he came back to. He began to panic. Night had already fallen, and all he had was a flashlight and no clue on how to get back, and he knew it. It was already too late and too dangerous to keep going through this perilous forest, and he began to worry that he would have no shelter for the night. But, luckily enough, he stumbled across a broken down cabin. It was already dark and seemed no one had visited in years, but he knew it was the only place where he could get rest until daylight, especially since his flashlight was running out of battery. He knocked on the door a few times, but no one answered, so he let himself in, where, strangely enough, a perfect bed fitted for one person awaited him in the center. He knew that if the owner came back, he could explain himself. He was sure that the owner wouldn't mind, or was even probably dead, so he went ahead and got himself comfortable in bed, and as he tried to sleep, he couldn't ignore all the collections of paintings around the room, portraits of strange-looking people all peering at him, each wearing a smile that sent chills up his spine. Not too long after, his exhaustion from the hike got the best of him, and he was able to ignore the faces. The next morning, he got up early and was shocked to see that those weren't paintings around the room. Those were windows.